Volkswagen finally listened. This is the 2026 ID.3 Neo, and it's the most important car VW has launched in years. Not because of a crazy top speed, but because they finally fixed the interior. No more unlit touch sliders. No more cheap plastic, just the true VW quality we've been missing. Welcome back to DRX AUTO MOBI. Today, we're looking at the electric hatch that finally earns its badge. If you hated the original ID.3, you might just love the Neo. Underneath that new skin is the MEB Plus platform. It's an evolution that brings faster charging and better range. The top-tier 79 kilowatt battery now pushes this hatch to over 390 miles of range, the best in its class. Paired with a new 231 horsepower motor at the rear, it's punchier, hitting 60 in 7.3 seconds. And when you need juice, the 183 kilowatt fast charging can get you from 10 to 80% in just 26 minutes. It's not just smarter, it's significantly more efficient. This is where the Neo really earns its name. The dashboard has been completely redesigned. The controversial touch sliders are gone, replaced by a dedicated climate panel with haptic toggle switches. The infotainment has grown to 12.9 inches, and the materials are now soft touch and high-end throughout. Even the steering wheel has ditched those finicky haptic pads for real physical buttons. It feels less like a gadget and more like a Volkswagen. Visually, the Neo looks more mature. The front end follows the new pure positive design language. It's cleaner, wider, and features slimmer LED headlights connected by a glass light strip. For 2026, the roof and tailgate are finished in the body color, giving it flatter, more dynamic proportions. It no longer looks like a science project. It looks like a premium modern hatchback that's ready for the mainstream. The 2026 ID.3 Neo is proof that even a giant like Volkswagen can admit when they're wrong. It's better, faster, and much easier to live with. Is this enough to make you ditch your Golf for good? Let us know in the comments. Like and subscribe for DRX AUTO MOBI. Catch you in the next review.